Kenwood is starting to become one of my favorite car stereo brands, thanks to the eXcelon DMX905S digital media receiver. This thing has every possible feature that I would want or need in a car stereo, besides an HD screen, maybe next year. However, the vibrant 6.95-inch display is a capacitive touchscreen, which is comparable to your smartphone. It feels great and is incredibly responsive to your touch. What I like most about the DMX905S is it is totally unique compared to every other Kenwood double-din in terms of design. The home screen and source icons are new, plus there's an awesome new layout. On all Kenwoods, you can swipe between different home screen icons like a clock, compass, vehicle info, but this new DMX has a new option where you can display Waze onto the screen as well as your music and home icons. This only works with Waze while connected via WebLink, not Apple Carplay or Android Auto. Speaking of, the DMX905S supports Kenwood's newest double-din feature, WebLink, creating a portal to apps like Waze, YouTube, Yelp, music, and weather, all displayed and controlled at the stereo. And no, it's not a screen mirror. Download Kenwood's WebLink app on your smartphone. It works with iOS and Android via a USB connection. Next up, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto bring your smartphone apps to the stereo. They support tons of your internal and third-party apps like phone calls, messaging, music apps, podcast apps, radio apps, navigation, and thanks to iOS 12, Apple CarPlay now supports Waze and Google Maps like Android Auto does. And satellite view of Google Maps looks dope as These do not support video apps. Warning, the DMX905S has two rear USB pigtails. The black one is to be used with iPhone, and the gray one is to be used with Android. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto will not work if you're connected into the wrong USB. For music and audio playback, the HD radio tuner broadcasts your favorite stations in CD quality audio. And this stereo has no disc slot, so your Smash Mouth CDs won't work. Bluetooth will allow hands-free calling plus streams your music wirelessly from your phone with music tags. Connecting to the USB port with your phone enables music and app audio playback, as well as charges your device. The USB port connection provides album artwork, which is displayed on the home screen, but you have to enter the iPod source to get out of CarPlay or Android Auto. Album artwork is possible via Bluetooth, but not in the Bluetooth source. You must be connected via Bluetooth and streaming wirelessly, but in the iPod source for the album artwork to come up. It's weird, I know, but it works. The stereo does not have built-in nav, but I prefer Google Maps anyways. Plus it has the address for your mother's house saved in it. Expand the radio even further with the iDialing Maestro RR for a seamless interface with factory system features like climate control, vehicle information, engine codes, tire pressure, gauges, performance, satellite radio, USB, radar, and parking assist. The DMX905S has dual camera inputs for front and back, plus is dash cam ready with the DRV N520, which links with the receiver, giving you an extra pair of eyes on the road, providing safety warnings like departure delay and forward collision. The stereo is Sirius XM ready with the SXV300V1 tuner, and steering wheel control ready with the Axxess ASWC1 interface, links for both in the video bio. Mirroring a device to the radio is possible despite there being no RCA-AV inputs and no HDMI inputs. The radio has a 3.5mm AV input in the rear, and using in combination with the CA-C3AV as well as our mirroring adapter BU HDMI-V, you'll be able to mirror your phone to the stereo. Links in the bio for those. Customize your DMX905 with several preset wallpapers or upload your own, plus set the button color illumination or scan it. Kenwood puts you in full control of the audio with high and low pass crossover settings. The connections in the back include 3.5mm AV output, 3 sets of 4V preamp outputs for front, rear, and subwoofer, Bluetooth microphone, GPS sensor, dash cam, AV in, iDialing Maestro, wiring harness for power ground and speaker, Sirius XM, plus several pigtails for radio antenna, backup camera, dash camera, video output, and iPhone and Android USBs. The radio comes with a Bluetooth microphone, wiring harness, iPhone USB, Android USB, optional trim, and GPS sensor. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links are in the bio. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button. But if you hated it, click the dislike button. Join the conversation below and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.